dual bar with a custom gussets. Nice little Easter egg right there.
What's that right there?
It's a little bottle opener. Reinforced gussets in the back with a fat stick whip for 5150s. Our chase bars. Rear bumper. You can put a custom logo on it if you want, or you can have our own logo. Easy access ports to do your services. This is a audio equipped roll cage. It's got Rockford Fosgate power speakers that are amplified by a Pro Box amplifier. It's all Bluetooth controlled through your phone. It's got 4-point harnesses on each seat. This is a very special build. It was our first build with heated seats.
How you turn them on?
We got buttons on each corner. It's got high and low. You can pick for your bottom or your back. This cage also came with a spare tire carrier. It's not just floating there, it's bolted down. It's nice and solid. And we also did micro rock lights from Billet Industries. They're extremely small, but they're extremely bright as well. They're the size of a quarter, and it's a billet package. We got those on all four corners. And don't forget about the rear view mirror.